Hello and welcome today. We're going to talk about strategies to cut unnecessary spending and increase savings. Part 2. Here are more strategies to help you cut unnecessary spending and increase savings. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account on a regular basis, preferably right after you receive your paycheck. This way, you won't have to rely on willpower alone to save. Use cash envelopes. Implement the cash envelope system for discretionary spending categories such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Withdraw cash for each category at the beginning of the month, and when the envelope is empty, you can't spend any more in that category until the next month. Avoid brand loyalty. Be open to trying different brands and generic alternatives for products you use regularly. Often these options are cheaper and can add up to significant savings over time. Cut down on subscriptions. Review all your subscription services regularly and cancel the ones you don't use frequently or find unnecessary. Leverage rewards and cashback programs. If you use credit cards, choose ones that offer rewards or cashback on your regular purchases. However, make sure to pay off your credit card balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Buy in bulk for non-perishables. Purchase non-perishable items like toiletries, cleaning supplies, and pantry staples in bulk when they're on sale to take advantage of lower prices. Shop with a list. Make a shopping list before going to the grocery store or mall and stick to it. This practice can help you avoid impulse purchases and unnecessary items. Track your progress. Regularly, review your budget and savings progress. This will keep you motivated and accountable for your financial goals. Brown bag your lunch. Prepare your meals at home and bring lunch to work or school. It's a cost-effective way to control what you eat and save money compared to eating out. Reduce convenience expenses. Identify convenience expenses like takeout coffee, pre-cut fruits, or bottled water, and find more economical alternatives. Lower your housing costs. Consider downsizing or finding a more affordable place to live, especially if housing costs are a significant portion of your budget. Utilize discounts. Take advantage of discounts and coupons when shopping for groceries, clothing, and other essentials. DIY personal care. Try doing your own haircuts, manicures, or pedicures at home instead of going to salons or spas. Carpool or use public transportation. Share rides with friends or colleagues, or use public transportation whenever possible to save on fuel and parking expenses. Unplug unused electronics. Turn off and unplug electronics when they are not in use to reduce electricity consumption and lower your utility bills. Rent out unused space. If you have a spare room or property, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb to generate additional income. Participate in no-spend challenges. Occasionally challenge yourself to a no-spend week or month where you only spend money on necessities. It can be a fun and effective way to reset spending habits. Educate yourself on personal finance continuously. Learn about personal finance and money management to make informed decisions and optimize your saving and investment strategies. Remember, small changes in your spending habits can have a significant impact on your savings over time. It's crucial to stay committed to your financial goals and be mindful of your spending choices. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.